Is your Chevy Bolt key fob not working? Replacing the battery is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. This video covers how to replace the battery in 2017-2023 Chevy Bolt key fobs. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, commonly available at most stores. The Chevy Bolt key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type provides reliable power for the fob's functions. This battery is 3 volts, made of lithium, and has a coin cell format that's easy to handle. CR2032 batteries are inexpensive and widely available at auto parts stores, pharmacies, and online retailers like Amazon. For longer battery life, consider higher quality brands like Panasonic or Energizer. Be cautious of counterfeit batteries that may not perform as expected or could damage your key fob. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll need a few basic tools. A small flathead screwdriver works well for prying open the fob. Alternatively, use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching or damaging the plastic casing. A soft cloth is also helpful to protect the key fob's surface and provide a stable work area during the replacement process. Important: always avoid using metal tools near the circuit board to prevent short-circuiting or damage. These simple tools will ensure a safe and successful battery replacement. Locate the seam on the key fob. For newer models, it's usually along the sides. Older models may have a release button. Gently insert the screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to damage the plastic casing. Some models may have a small screw to remove first. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side in the same position. Double-check the polarity before snapping the fob back together. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to see if the vehicle responds. If it doesn't work, recheck the battery orientation or consider a deeper issue. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, deeper issues may exist. Common problems include a faulty capacitor, shown here, or a software glitch. The capacitor may show corrosion or wear, as in this image. For 2022-2023 models, a software recall causes premature drain. Check NHTSA for details. Contact a GM dealer for diagnostics if issues persist. When deciding between DIY and professional key fob battery replacement, consider the costs. DIY replacement costs under $5, while professional service typically runs $50 to $100. However, for recalled models, visit a dealer to maintain warranty coverage. GM extended warranty to 10 years or 100,000 miles for the 2022-2023 key fob battery drain issue, so affected owners can still get free fixes. As final tips, regularly check your key fob battery, especially in extreme temperatures. Consider using higher quality batteries for longer life.